Yeah, guys, so welcome to yet another video. But today's just an update on the accident. And as you all know, on around the 2nd of August, had an accident hapo Kahawa Wendani. Yeah, so we finished up uh, with the traffic and then took the car for assessment somewhere in Upper Hill. So I'm just waiting for the feedback from the insurance, but otherwise I'm all good. I just had a few minor injuries. I guess this is the only one I have on the hand. Just a few bruises and on the leg. I did the scans at the hospital. I'm all good. So yeah, we thank God for life and we thank God for another chance and for His protection. So that's a good thing. So currently it's just waiting and yeah, let's see how things go. We trust God for good things to come out of this. So continue to watch the videos, continue to share the videos. This is the last clip or the last video that I had taken. I had not yet published with the car. So, or rather, had not yet published on the channel. So watch and enjoy. But we'll continue to make car content and travel content as the days go by. Thank you for being a supporter for this channel. Thank you for being a subscriber. You go far, and I believe good things are coming. So thank you for everything.
Through my hands, it slips away. Through my hands, it slips away. I can see you fade away. Through my hands. Low light, water goes black. I turn once, don't look back. So it seems dreams were sold, but not all dreams turn to gold. Through my hands, it slips away. Through my hands, it slips away. And I can see you fade away. Through my hands, through my hands, it slips away. Through my hands, it slips away. And I can see you fade away. Through my hands, through my hands.
So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.